Is your Brawl Stars sound Mia? Let's get those satisfying super sounds back in action, pronto. First, exit Brawl Stars completely. Head to your phone settings. It usually looks like a gear or cog icon. Scroll down until you find sound and vibration, or something similar, depending on your device. Tap on it. Make sure your media volume is turned up. This controls the sound for games and apps. Slide it all the way to the right. Next, let's check in-game settings. Open Brawl Stars again. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings. Now, double-check that both the music and sound effects toggles are turned on. They should be green. Still no sound. Okay, back to your phone settings. This time, find Apps or Application Manager. Find Brawl Stars in the list of apps and tap on it. Tap on Permissions. Make sure the microphone permission is enabled. Even though Brawl Stars isn't primarily voice-based, sometimes this permission affects overall sound. If it's off, turn it on. Restart Brawl Stars one last time. Hopefully, you're back to battling with full sound. If these steps didn't work, try restarting your device as a last resort or contacting Supercell support.